Welcome to EpicEarthDaily, where the past whispers secrets to those who dare to listen. From the enigmatic to the unexplained, our planet harbors mysteries that span the sands of time. Today, we invite you on a journey across Earth's most mysterious locations, now featuring more than 10 enigmatic sites. Subscribe now and let's unravel these mysteries together, one legend at a time. Embark with us on a journey through time and space, from the depths of the ocean to the peaks of ancient mountains, exploring more than 10 enigmatic locations that challenge our understanding of history, nature, and the bounds of possibility. Join EpicEarthDaily as we delve into the world's most enduring mysteries. Our odyssey begins with the Bermuda Triangle, where countless vessels and aircraft have vanished without a trace. Theories abound, from magnetic anomalies to underwater alien bases. Yet the triangle keeps its secrets beneath the waves. What forces are at play in this stretch of ocean? And will its mysteries ever be revealed? We journey next to the Salisbury Plain in England, where Stonehenge's monolithic stones have stood watch for millennia. This prehistoric enigma serves as a calendar, a temple, and a monument to the unknown. Despite advances in archaeology, the complete purpose of Stonehenge and the means of its construction remain one of humanity's most captivating puzzles. In the Peruvian desert, the Nazca lines stretch across the landscape, forming images visible only from the sky. These enormous drawings of animals, plants, and geometric shapes have puzzled researchers since their discovery. Were they messages to the gods, ancient airstrips, or something else entirely? The desert keeps its secrets, leaving us to wonder at their purpose. If you're intrigued by the tales of ancient civilizations and their enduring legacies, don't forget to subscribe to EpicEarthDaily. Join our community of explorers and history enthusiasts to never miss out on our daily adventures into the past. Plato's writings first mentioned the lost city of Atlantis, a civilization said to have sunk into the ocean in a single day and night of misfortune. Despite centuries of speculation and exploration, Atlantis remains lost, inspiring dreams of a utopian society hidden beneath the waves. Is Atlantis merely a myth, or does it await discovery in the depths of the sea? The pyramids of Giza, Egypt's ancient wonders, are not only architectural feats but also keepers of untold secrets. Recent scans have revealed the possibility of hidden chambers within the Great Pyramid. What might lie within these concealed spaces? Treasures, ancient knowledge, or perhaps the secrets to the pyramid's construction? Easter Island's Moai statues hold vigil over a landscape shrouded in mystery. These colossal figures, carved by the Rapanui people, inspire awe and speculation. How were they transported and erected, and why? The Moai remain silent, keeping watch over an island that has captivated the world's imagination. Enjoying this journey through the architectural marvels of the ancient world? Make sure to subscribe to EpicEarthDaily and turn on notifications. Dive deeper with us into the mysteries that history has to offer, one story at a time. Beneath the bustling streets of Paris lie the catacombs, a macabre labyrinth of tunnels filled with the remains of millions. This ossuary, created to solve the city's overflowing cemetery crisis, now serves as a haunting reminder of the past. But do the catacombs hold more than just bones? Perhaps even secrets of the city's dark history? Egypt's Valley of the Kings is the final resting place of pharaohs and nobles, a sacred necropolis hidden within the desert. Tombs, richly adorned with hieroglyphs and treasures, tell tales of ancient Egypt's glory and the afterlife. Yet, many tombs remain undiscovered, their secrets buried beneath the sands. High in the Peruvian Andes lies Machu Picchu, the lost city of the Incas. Abandoned and reclaimed by the jungle, its discovery in 1911 revealed a masterpiece of Incan engineering and architecture. But many questions linger. Why was it built? And why was it deserted? Machu Picchu stands as a beautiful enigma, a testament to a vanished civilization. In the heart of California's Death Valley, rocks move across the dry lake bed of racetrack playa, leaving trails in their wake. This phenomenon of sailing stones baffled observers for decades. Though recent studies suggest ice and wind play a role, the sight of these stones' silent journey across the playa evokes wonder and speculation. Venture into the heart of the Amazon rainforest, a vast green expanse that breathes life into Earth. Hidden within its depths are ancient civilizations and mysterious ruins, like the fabled El Dorado, cities of gold lost to time. The Amazon's dense canopy conceals untold secrets, from unknown species to plants with miraculous healing properties, a living reminder of the mysteries that our world holds. Gaze northward to the Arctic Circle, where the aurora borealis, or northern lights, illuminate the sky in a spectacular display of colors. This natural phenomenon, resulting from solar winds interacting with the Earth's magnetosphere, has fascinated and inspired myths and legends among civilizations for millennia. The auroras remain a beautiful mystery, a cosmic dance that highlights the wonders of our universe. From the depths of the ocean to the heights of the mountains, our planet is filled with mysteries waiting to be explored. As we conclude our journey through Earth's most enigmatic locations, we're reminded that mystery surrounds us, inviting us to explore, question, and marvel. For more tales of the unknown and journeys into history, subscribe to Epic Earth Daily. Stay curious and keep exploring the wonders of our world. As we conclude today's expedition into the ancient world, we hope you've been inspired by the stories of human achievement and spiritual quest. So continue exploring with us here at Epic Earth Daily. Hit that subscribe button, sharing our curiosity as we bring you more tales of wonder and discovery. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep exploring, keep wondering,